Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Tutor Things. As you all know, we have started a Lead Codes SQL 50 series, so where we will be solving the important SQL 50 questions in each and every video by explaining the question and then query, the concept related to that query. We're going to discuss in this video. So now we are in the fourth video of this series where we will be solving the question related to article views. The question name is so yeah, let's get started. If you haven't subscribed to my channel till yet, please subscribe and click the bell icon so that you'll never gonna miss any video of ours. So yeah, this is the schema. So it is dealing with the views table. So views table having the four columns: the article ID and the author ID and viewer ID and the view date. So the type of the article ID is int and author ID is int and viewer ID is also int. So view date is a date type. So in this table, there is no primary key, that is the column with unique values. We are not having any primary key here for this table. So the table may have duplicate values. That means so each row of this table indicates that some viewer viewed an article. So they are telling the logic for this table. So it is having the data related to the views of the articles. So some viewer have viewed the article by some other author. So one article have written by one author, which is an author ID of that particular person. So that article ID of that book you can assume like that. So viewer ID is also there. One person who have viewed that particular thing. So at what time he have viewed, we have a date type in the view date thing. So on some date he have viewed that particular article has written by some particular author. Okay, so this is the data we are having in the table, views table. So note that the equal author ID and viewer ID indicate the same person. The person who having the same ID like author ID and viewer ID has seen his own article. uh, that means that okay is indicate the same person, so same person is viewing the same person's article like that. So if your ID is same, the author ID is similar to that. So the same person has viewed his own article, or if it is other, the other person has viewed the particular person's article. Okay. So what they're asking about, they're asking about write a solution to find out all the authors that viewed at least one of their own articles. As we discussed, the same author ID is nothing but same person who have viewed his own article at least one. They want to list them. Okay, so as this table is not having any primary key, no unique values, we have to take unique values. For that purpose we have to use distinct keyword, which will be available in MySQL. So to get the unique values, like the different values, so there is no duplication or repetition will be there if you use with the distinct keyword. Okay, so we'll see how we can write a query. Okay, next what they are asking, right? So return the results sorted by in now. As of now, we have seen three problems where you will not be mentioning like give an order ID like that. So they are just you have given like any order, but now here they are asking ascending order with based upon the ID of them. So okay, we can do that. So they have given some examples so that you will understand better. So the views table is there where I have been having an article ID and then author ID and viewer ID and view date. So articles are like 1122 and 33 are the IDs. So author IDs are 33. The person's ID we can assume that as. So these are the viewer ID. These are the view date. So you can see the author ID and viewer ID is matching here in the this one, and then the 4 4. So see, they are asking about the ID of what, find out all the authors that we would. So they are asking about author ID, not an article ID. Okay, so author who are the fourth person and the seventh person, they have viewed their own articles. So 4 and 7 will be the output, the IDs of the person who have viewed his own article. Okay, you understood, right? So both author ID and viewer ID same list from this table we have to get, but that should be like at least one, even once also we have to take. It's here you can see 4 have viewed 4 times, 2 times has his own article, but we need at least one. So no need to be having so many number of times, at least one we have to take, and that too no need to get like see 4 has to even 2 times, but in output they are considering only 4. So only once is enough. So that means there are no primary key concept here, unique things. So repetition of data is here, so we have to make it as distinct to get the different data. So let's see how we can solve this query. So yeah, let's get started. So firstly we have to get a list or kind of thing we have to select, right? We have to select. Let me shorten this. So yeah, select what we have to select. As I told you, right, we have to get distant data because repetition is possible in the data that they have given. So we have to get the distant values first. So we have given distant keyword. So what id they want? They want like viewer id or author id, anything is fine. So let me consider author id of that person. How they want to get in the output, as you see they are getting as id. Here also in the in the question statement they have mentioned that find all the orders, like sorting is done by the id, right? Like that, right? So let me have an aliasing name. For aliasing name we have to use as, without as also we can write. So yeah, author id as id we have to take from what, from the table which you have given. So that is, we have here is a views table. So from the views table, see views table, right? So views table, what we have to do, they have asked it like they have at least once. At least once we have seen in the previous problem also, at least some square kilometers. At least means that or mucher than that. So at least one is nothing but greater than one or more than one, like that, and also one all will be there. So what condition we have to write here? Where at least one viewed, right? So where means view kind of thing. So viewer id should be greater than or equal to 1. Okay, then end order id, it not the number of times but the order. They have given like order by, they are ordering with id, right? So id is nothing but this column, order by that. So this is the case. Actually, if we consider viewer id as in more than at least once, they are not telling us to be on as a count here. Viewer id is the id of that person. So some people write like this to to explain you that is not correct. I have given this condition we should not need, because viewer id is the id of that person, should not is the viewing count like that. Okay, you understood, right? Right, why I have written this and I'm just removing that. So I will show you like how it works. It works with this condition also. Let me submit and show you the thing. See, because viewer IDs are all positives, like the ID of the person should be a positive, right? So it will start from one or like that only. So if you have mentioned this kind of thing, the is accepted. You can see test case everything is passed. So even though this is not a correct one, because we no need to because as I said you, viewer ID is not the count. At least one times they are asking, like we should not consider that because it's an ID of a person. So even it is not negative like that we are checking here. If you thought like it's a count like that, it should be a mistake. So to get you understand what I'm doing is I'm just removing this thing. You can just submit. You can see like that thing is also true, like that will also work. Actually this is the only correct format. So if you write much like this also fine, because viewer id can, id of a person is always positive number. So this will also work. You understood, right? But you should not think in a format like viewer id is a count like that. So it is an id of a person which can be a positive number. You can add this condition, or without this id is greater than one condition also is satisfied. As I want to tell you is it is not for this at least one of their kind of thing. It's a this condition is satisfying here itself. Author id is equal viewer id is nothing but at least one time or any time. It is always taking that condition with this particular thing. So no need to add extra this for this statement. So it is adding just to ensure that viewer id is greater than one, because the person has viewed something. It's not a null kind of thing. That why we have added this condition. You understood, right? So this is the uh, a query or a solution for that. Hope you have understood, right? So we have viewed something, so at least one, there is a no null value kind of thing. So for that purpose we have added this condition. You are understood, right? So yeah, this is the final query. If you have any doubts regarding this, let me know in the comment section. We definitely try to resolve your comments. So one more thing is, order by is a kind of thing which actually into an ascending order only. No need to mention again as an ascending order. It's defaultly taking an ascending order. So if you want to have descending order, you can just mention there. So that's we have sorting by the ID as an alias name they are telling, but we have to actually use the original ID here, so that will make you understand better. So it what we are just doing that. So you see 4 or 7, otherwise it will give 7 or 4, because 7 is the first thing which we are coming here, because with the order by we are just sorting them in the ascending order. So that's all for this video. I hope you understood, right? So and then until the next video, see you. Bye bye. Keep sharing our videos to your friends and colleagues who are at learning stage of MySQL and they were preparing for the SQL interviews. So yeah, like, share, and comment, and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon so that you are never gonna miss our videos. So bye bye.